is our science research laboratory. This is one of 3 parts. So this is our preparation lab. So this is where your scientists will come from the field, will come bring their samples here to prepare, whether it's their water samples, your grass, your soil samples. And this is an oven. This is where they put the vegetation. Let's say you have your grass and they want to dry them for whatever research purposes they have. They will put it in here. And then we have a deionizing machine. This is what we use. What the deionizing machine, what it does is that it deionizes water. If you want like pure water and you don't want water from the tap, this is what they use. Then come to the side where the weighing scales for weighing your samples, and then we have an autoclave. This is for killing like your viruses, your bacteria from your samples. And then we have a dishwasher, because it's very important to clean your samples after your sampling bottles, equipment, after using them. This is our dishwasher. Now you can follow me to the next lab. Now this is our biological lab, or our general lab. It's usually used for your biological assays. So this is what we call a fumid or safety cabin. This is what they use if you're working with like your hazardous chemicals. You would use this, and then the chemicals will get evaporated so that it doesn't harm you. And then this is a centrifuge. This is what scientists usually use to like separate samples, like your mixtures, separate the liquids, and then you can move. We have microscope, also so they can be your microscope, your pipettes. We have a CO2 incubator. This scientists usually use it to like simulate like certain types of environment that you want to create. This is what we use. Keep working on that. So this is our analytical lab. So this is where you do your chemical analysis. So we have over here your spectrometer, your pH meter. So when you want to do your water analysis, if you want to monitor your physical parameters like your pH, these are all the equipment that we use. On the side we have a UV light, and then we have shakers, and then all our equipment, our beakers. We store them over there, and then this is just a storage space for all your chemicals so that they're not in harm's way. It needs to be properly stored. Now, if you follow me, we have another oven for your samples, like I explained earlier. And in all these cabinets, it's just equipment for researchers who need to use equipment. So this is what we call an emergency shower, accompanied by an emergency basin. So what this is used for is if you get chemicals on you, especially hazardous chemicals, you can quickly wash it off using this emergency shower. And all you just do, you just put it up here. You just obviously get on wrist, get under here, and just wash it off. So this is water, normal water, no chemical in it. And then you're good to go.